New tonight, officials in New Bedford taking up a hot topic over whether to install a marijuana compassion center in the city.
And supporters plus opponents of the proposal were both present at City Hall tonight. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado has been in New Bedford all night long. She's now back and joins us live in the control room with the latest. Steph?
New Bedford is now a step closer to getting a medical marijuana dispensary with unanimous support from the City Council.
Yes.
The vote was 10-0. The New Bedford City Council will send a letter of support to the Massachusetts Department of Health supporting a medical marijuana dispensary in the city.
And we think that there's a big need for this.
Rina Cametti is the president of the would-be dispensary Beacon Compassion Center. They've already leased the space and they're just waiting for the go-ahead from the Commonwealth. The City Council letter of support means the Department of Health will begin its review to license the dispensary.
For patients that really need this medicine, it would be great for them not to have to travel an hour or plus to be able to access that.
Currently, the closest dispensary to New Bedford is in Brockton. Dawn Blake Souza has been advocating for medical marijuana for years and says patients shouldn't need to travel to get their medicine.
Many of the patients that we've spoken to are elderly or disabled, or people who don't have their own transportation, or it's difficult because they use buses and they don't have access to it.
And the mayor of New Bedford, John Mitchell, opposes the dispensary. He just sent us this statement on the vote. He said one has to question the wisdom of promoting a retail marijuana dispensary in the middle of a city in the midst of a regional opioid crisis. I have made clear my openness to an appropriately cited marijuana cultivation facility, but I believe that the availability of retail marijuana will only harm, not strengthen our neighborhoods. And the Beacon Compassion Center is confident they'll get that license from the Commonwealth now because they did just receive a license to open a dispensary in Framingham. Live in the control room, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.